Governor J.B. Pritzker testified on Capitol Hill today about Illinois' controversial immigration policies.
And WGN political reporter Tamon Bradley is also in Washington with more on the governor's remarks now.
Amid several days of unrest over federal immigration enforcement, today on Capitol Hill, 3 blue state governors got grilled about sanctuary laws.
I find it hard to believe that you're lecturing us about peaceful protest. Look at what happened January 6th here at the Capitol.
No, what we're seeing in LA is an insurrection. You want to talk about an insurrection? This is an absolute insurrection.
You don't understand what insurrection is when people are trying to overturn an election.
Governor J.B. Pritzker sat with Governors Tim Walz of Minnesota and Kathy Hochul of New York for hours of questioning from the Republican-led House Oversight Committee. For Pritzker, floated as a possible future presidential candidate, a test under the bright lights of national TV.
Our state and our country have been strengthened by people from across the globe seeking freedom, opportunity, and refuge here.
Republicans grilled Pritzker over providing health care for undocumented immigrants and cooperation with ICE.
What do you tell a family when they ask you why? Why was this murderer in my state?
You said invited or encouraged. 50,000 people were shipped to my state by a border state governor.
Own it, man.
I'm not beating around. I'm telling you, 50,000 people were shipped to my state.
I'm glad they bust some to your state.
I have been clear about favoring border security.
With 2028 politics hanging over the hearing, Pritzker faced questions about his stance on controversial social issues.
Do you think men should be allowed in women's restrooms?
I'm not sure why this has come to this issue.
You tweeted that as a protest against President Trump, everyone should use the other gender's bathroom today. Have you ever used the women's restroom?
Not that I can recall ever, sir. No.
Pritzker was also pressed about the death of a young woman visiting friends at the University of Illinois.
Should that criminal have been here in the first place?
If the person is a criminal of any sort, then they ought to be
So that person had a right to be, in your testimony, had a right to be in this country.
I can tell you that it's the responsibility of the federal government to manage immigration in this country. And if you're suggesting that the federal government didn't do its job, that is up to you.
Let me ask you.
Several Democrats on hand used their time to slam President Trump.
What Donald Trump likes is irrelevant. The law is the law.
The message from Democrats, immigration policy is set by the federal government, so Congress must reform the system.
The Republican majority is anti-legal immigration in the United States.
Illinois Republicans have been fundraising off of Pritzker's appearance, and they point to a study showing that the state spent more than $1 billion on health care for undocumented immigrants over a 5-year period. Reporting from the Capitol, Tamon Bradley, WGN News.